My name is Ashabrik Nantege. I am the coordinator for Appropriate Technology Center, which is the research arm for Ministry of Water and Environment. The Appropriate Technology Center carries out applied research on basically technologies in the line of water, sanitation, and environment. And besides carrying out the research, we also validate technologies brought in or innovations by different stakeholders to provide an objective view of the effectiveness of the technology in relation to what it is envisaged to serve. The ATC was established in 2010, and it has now lived for more than 10 years. In our day-to-day work, we realize that there are a number of technologies outside there in the communities being promoted by different stakeholders, many of which are very good. At the same time, as we are doing our work, we appreciate the fact that Uganda is going through a hard time whereby we are faced with climate change. Besides climate change, we have the issue of the dwindling water quality and quantity, but also at the same time we got almost 2 years, we got the issue of COVID-19, which has really affected every operation of the country economically, socially, and the like. So amidst all those challenges, you find that in the communities there, as people are struggling to recover from the effects of those challenges I've mentioned, there are very good innovators in the community there who have come up with a lot of technologies, a lot of solutions, a lot of innovations that can be adopted by our people, and these technologies can be used to help the people recover from the negative effects of the challenges the country is facing. But many of these technologies have remained unknown. They have remained in the community there. Some of them have remained at the level of innovation. The promoters don't have a platform to showcase. They don't have what it takes to scale up the technologies. As such, many of them have remained at the trial period. And by the way, you also have to know that some of them are technologies, but they don't serve the purpose they are envisaged to serve. The reason we do technology validation to provide an objective report and also guide, try to help the innovator improve the technology, make it a better technology, and our profiling or validation puts into context human safety and environmental safety and the issue of sustainability. So when we are validating, we look along the service chain and see where we can, and discuss with the technology innovator or promoter to see how we strengthen it. So on the issue of technologies not being known and not scaled up, you see, people know, a few people know their technologies, and those few people could be the innovators themselves or the inventors, and some NGOs, but the community outside there, they don't know. So as government, we realize that there is need to create a platform whereby people can come to showcase what they have, and others come to learn, and the regulators also come to know and see the gaps, and the government is to see where we can come in to make sure that these good innovations that are out there can be used to answer the challenges the country is facing. There is always a strong message that local problems can best be solved using local solutions. So we are trying to really promote this saying, and we are trying to make sure that at least as government, we get to know which technologies are outside there, which ones need help, which ones need improvement, and which ones have already taken off. So when we have a platform like this, it helps us to benchmark or to take stock and realize the gaps and realize how we can come in, and also to create that good bonding between the promoters, the regulators, the academia, the users, That's why we even thought partnership with Makerere University, because as the academia do a lot of knowledge generation and do a lot of innovation, but then we also have to join the different stakeholders along the service chain to see that at least we synergize and break the silos, because the issues of silos could be the reason why these technologies have remained at that takeoff stage, but they can't really take off. So this platform brings that union, and it helps us to see how best we can break silos and make sure that we create a synergy for technology promotion in Uganda. Certainly we need the technologies if we are to overcome these problems. For example, you've seen a lot of people doing a lot of good innovations along solid waste management. It's really impressive. And you know how solid waste is a big problem in our country. Everywhere they are littering plastics, everywhere they are littering solid. So if we have these people pulling out all this solid waste, then even the people littering, we start seeing it as gold and then stop littering. So we are saving our environment, at the same time we are protecting the water quality. So really, this is a platform that we are going to use. We intend to have it annually. This is the first of its kind, but we intend to have it annually. And if possible, we want to think about the regional platforms, such that we take stock of all that is happening countrywide and also try to guide promotion for a better country.